Okay, YouTube, here I am at the Larimer County Fair, and my friends are about to drop. So I just rode this ride earlier. Here they go. What's up, scary girl? Megan, say hello. This is awesome. Hey, say hi. You're on video. I'm just recording. Hi, Megan. Cheyenne. Sorry, girls. This is so cool. Okay, YouTube. This is an insane lightning storm here north of the fair. Wow, that was a big one. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but it is insane. I'm filming a video of the lightning. Wow. Say hello. Good, but hello.
Hi.
Okay, I'm recording. YouTube. I'm here with my friends on the Ferris wheel with a lightning storm in the distance. Okay, this is insane, YouTube. Hi. I'm videoing the lightning. Okay, YouTube. I'm here at the Larimer. Hey, Katie, say hi. Say hi, Maddie. Maddie, say hi. Okay, there's a big lightning storm going on in the distance. Say hi. I love you, Larimer County Fair. I'm just watching this lightning. Well, YouTube, I'm having a fun night at the last night at the Larimer County Fair. And this lightning show is amazing. Well, YouTube, thanks for watching. Goodbye. Taylor, say hi. Say hi, Taylor. This is so cool. Okay, I'm riding the Ferris wheel with my friends here at Carnival Americana.
Why did you make that sound? I know, right?
Hey, say hi. Say hi. You're on video. You are not going to die. I'm recording, you know.
We were on the very first one over there, and
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I had a fun time at the fair. Bye. Hey, say hi. This is so cool.